This mechanic just refused a $3,000 repair job and told the owner to sell the car instead. 47,000 miles, that's all this 2022 SUV had. The dealership called it normal wear. The mechanic called it unfixable garbage. 2026 is the worst year to buy the wrong car. Used prices are finally dropping. But 5 specific models are trapping American buyers in repair hell. I spoke to 12 mechanics across 6 states. These are the cars they're begging you to avoid. 5 cars mechanics hate 2026. Here's what changed in 2026. The average American keeps their car 12.5 years now. But these 5 cars, they won't make it to year 5 without draining your savings account. One master mechanic in Ohio told me, "I used to feel bad taking money for these repairs. Now I just tell people to trade it in." Transmission failures that cost $800 to fix in 2021, now $4,200. Engine issues that were warranty items, now consumer responsibility at 38,000 miles. Not a joke. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has 14 active investigations into premature engine failures this year alone. 3 of them involve cars on this list. Number 5, the Nissan Rogue, America's 4th best-selling SUV in 2023. And according to 3 independent mechanics I interviewed, a transmission time bomb. The CVT, continuously variable transmission, it was supposed to be the future. Better gas mileage. Smoother acceleration. What Nissan didn't advertise? The 2021 redesign introduced a fatal flaw. At 45,000 to 60,000 miles, the CVT belt starts shredding metal into the fluid. By 70,000, total transmission failure. Average repair cost, $4,800. This mechanic in Texas stopped stocking remanufactured Rogue transmissions. "I can't keep them on the shelf. It's unethical at this point." Nissan extended the warranty to 84,000 miles, but only for 2021 models. That might need a $5,000 repair next year. Avoid 2021-2024 Nissan Rogue CVT models. Number 4, the Ford Escape, specifically the 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine. The 1 in 40% of all Escapes sold. Coolant intrusion, 2 words that should terrify any car buyer. The engine block design allows coolant to leak into cylinders. The result? Catastrophic engine failure. Often without warning, often at highway speeds. Ford issued a technical service bulletin in 2022. Not a recall, a bulletin, meaning owners pay for the repair, a partial engine block replacement that costs $6,200. I had a customer with 34,000 miles, engine seized on I-75. Ford said lack of maintenance. She had every receipt. They still denied it. I see 3 of these a month now. Class action lawsuits are moving through courts in 15 states, but settlements take years. Meanwhile, 2020-2023 Escapes are flooding used lots, priced to move, because dealers know. That $14,000 Escape with 50,000 miles, it's not a deal. It's a $6,000 repair waiting to happen. Avoid 2020-2023 Ford Escape 1.5L EcoBoost. Before we hit the top 3, and number 2 involves a reliable brand that will shock you. If this saves you from one bad purchase, that's worth a subscribe. We dig into the data dealers hope you never see. New video every Saturday. Drop your car in the comments. I'll tell you if it made any mechanic's warning list. Number 3, the Jeep Compass, the affordable Jeep. And the reason one transmission specialist in Arizona now refuses to work on Stellantis products entirely. The 9-speed automatic transmission shared across multiple Stellantis vehicles. Programmed by software that seems designed to destroy the hardware. Harsh shifting. Premature clutch pack failure. Electrical faults that cascade through the entire system. A transmission service that should cost $300 turns into a $3,200 control module replacement. I counted 47 fault codes on one Compass. 47. The owner just wanted the check engine light off. I told her sell it. She cried, said she still owed $19,000. The Compass loses 48% of its value in 3 years, worst in its class. But the real cost? The repairs that start at 35,000 miles and never stop. It's not a Jeep thing, it's a design flaw thing. And it's your money. Avoid 2022-2024 Jeep Compass 9-speed auto. Number 2, and this one hurts, the Kia Sorento. The 2021 redesign won awards. Top safety pick, Best Buy, and a 2.5-liter engine that mechanics are calling the new Honda Civic head gasket. Excessive oil consumption, piston ring failure, engines seizing between 40,000 and 70,000 miles. The same Theta engine family that Kia recalled in 2019, supposedly fixed, apparently not. Kia's official position, 1 quart per 1,000 miles is acceptable consumption. Mechanics disagree. That's a worn engine in a 3-year-old car. Unacceptable. I'm doing engine replacements on 2022 Sorentos, under warranty, thankfully. But what happens when that warranty expires? These owners are driving ticking time bombs. The 100,000-mile powertrain warranty is why people buy Kia. But if you're shopping used in 2026, that warranty isn't always transferable, and it's definitely expiring soon. Check the fine print. Check the oil level every 500 miles, or check out a different SUV entirely. Avoid 2021-2023 Kia Sorento 2.5L non-hybrid. Number 1. The Chevy Equinox, the best-selling Chevy SUV. And the car that made a master mechanic with 30 years experience say, "I wouldn't let my daughter buy one at gunpoint." The timing chain should last the life of the engine. In the Equinox 1.5-liter turbo, it's stretching, jumping teeth, destroying engines, sometimes as early as 30,000 miles. The root cause? A design that doesn't maintain proper oil pressure to the tensioner. A $12 part that destroys $8,000 engines, and GM's response? Customer pay. Even when the design is clearly defective, even when NHTSA has 400+ complaints, even when the same engine in other GM products was recalled. I replaced 3 Equinox engines last month, all under 60,000 miles. One owner was a single mom. She financed it for $24,000, now needs $7,800 in repairs. She's still paying the loan on a dead car. Used 2021 Equinoxes are cheap for a reason. The market knows, the mechanics know, now you know. Never buy 2020-2024 Chevy Equinox 1.5L Turbo. 5 cars, 12 mechanics, hundreds of thousands of dollars in preventable repairs. The 2026 used car market is a minefield, but it's navigable if you know where not to step. If you need an SUV, the data is clear. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, Honda CR-V, Mazda CX-5. Higher purchase price, fraction of the repair costs. Mechanics actually smile when these roll in. I've got a full breakdown of the most reliable used cars under $20,000 in 2026. Link in description. Watch it before you shop. I hope your mechanic is honest enough to warn you before it's too late. See you next day. Drive smart.